Asset School is leading a free summer parent workshop series with 2 virtual sessions. On the phone with us right now is Dr. Elsa Lee. Can you tell us more about this?
Yeah, so the primary goal really is to help parents understand their children's needs better, because we know that when we communicate better with our children and when they feel heard and they're understood, that would allow us to build a stronger and closer relationship with our kids. And that's actually key in predicting long-term positive outcomes in our children.
And this is for this Thursday from 6 to 7:15 p.m. via Zoom. How can people sign up?
You can go to assets-school.org to sign up, and they can scan the QR code, they can follow us social media, they'd be able to find out more information and sign up right there.
And that's at Asset School.
That's right.
The second one in August, what's that going to focus on?
That one is mainly for parents who are interested in learning more about ADHD, any interventions, ideas to help their children who may be struggling with this condition, or even for parents who just want to understand more about, symptoms and how they could identify their child's strengths and weaknesses.
For more information, go to assets-school.org.